friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to turn $1 instant ramen into $10 ones. These are all the noodles that you can use, but today I'm going to use the Shin Ramyun. It's like $1.35, so I'm sure you can afford that. Here are your ingredients: ginger, soy sauce, sugar, honey, Old Bay, which is optional, pepper, salt, bouillon cube. I use chicken, and 2 cups of water. First, in a little pot, add some vegetable oil, add your ginger in the pot, turn the heat up a bit, let it cook down, get the oil a little flavored. Next, you're going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of brown sugar, and about a tablespoon of honey, which is optional, it's already going to be sweet with the sugar. And add your 2 cups of water. Bouillon cube. I use chicken flavor. And salt for, flavor. Pepper. There's about a teaspoon of both of those. Old Bay, which is optional, it just gives it more flavor. And I added a bit of the Shin Ramyun sauce packet, powder packet, whatever you want to call it. And turn it down for a simmer. You don't want it to boil. Next, get another pot, add some water, enough to cover an egg. Boil it for about 6.5 to 7 minutes. After that, you're going to put it into an ice bath to stop the cooking process and cool it down. In another pan, add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can get this Crab Classic at Walmart. It was about $2.64 for an 8-ounce package. Go ahead and put it in your pan. Add some soy sauce and seasonings if you'd like. And, get a little color on it. And go ahead and add that to a plate, separate plate. Get that out the way for the next thing. Get about a tablespoon or less of butter. Put it on medium-low heat. Go ahead, add your spinach. I got this for $2.38 for a 10-ounce package at Walmart, or you can go to any other grocery store for the other 2 things. For your broth, go ahead and put it on high heat and let it boil so all the flavors can come together. And then add your noodles. I boiled it for a few minutes until the noodles got separated. And after they got separated, I only cooked it for about an extra 30 seconds. Put your noodles on a separate bowl. Add your toppings, eggs, spinach, and your crab meat, and then you're basically done. You just turned $1 ramen into a $10 bowl you can get at a great restaurant. So I wish you all good luck. Let me know in the comments how you liked it.